Hello dear all, hope everybody is doing well. So let's talk about time. Time is changing, it's changing very fast. And with time, even things and life is also changing. So why not we? You'll be very happy that in Clay India International School, we are introducing AI-based curriculum from class 1st to class 12th. And it is really the fact that whomsoever will be aware of this AI system, AI education, they will only get the success. You know why? Because if you remember years back when computer was introduced, then people used to say that many of the people are going to lose their job. Did it happen? Yes, it happened. But only for those who were not computer savvy, who did not update their self. Same is going to happen this time also. If your child is not aware of AI, if your child is not educated, if your child is not globally educated, if I say, because AI is now everywhere. You talk about anything, that is AI based. So if your child is want to get globally successful, want to get job, want to sustain their lives, want to live their lives happily, with good earnings, they'll definitely need to update themselves with updated education system. We are introducing AI-based curriculum in the school with robotics so that our each child is able to compete not only pan-India but globally, so that whenever he goes and introduces himself, he is not a person who doesn't have any knowledge. He is not able to gel with the people who are so far away from his knowledge. So we are preparing our kids to compete with students of America, of Canada, to get very good jobs, to get success in their lives. As we are very well aware that every child is born with some potential, inborn, that is inherent potential. So we cannot neglect anybody's skills, which may help our child to earn his livelihood. Here in Clay India International School, we'll be focusing on skill-based education also from coming session. Hello dear parents, as you all know, here in Clay India International School, we all are committed to give quality education to all our children. In session 25-26, we are going to introduce few more facilities for our students, like artificial intelligence and robotics is going to be introduced in coming session. And one more very important thing we are going to introduce for our students of class 11th and 12th, that is coaching for their entrance exams like NEET, JEE and many more. So within the campus you will get coaching, quality coaching for your entrance exams. Your child is going to be in safe hands, in safe environment, and that coaching will be within the school hours and within the school campus. So you need not to arrange any other transportation to send your child after school to any other place for this. This is going to be a very beneficial for all the students of class 11th and 12th who are going to opt for medical or non-medical streams.